In our hot Aussie climate, good quality car air conditioning is essential. Here's the Autofacts on air conditioning refrigerant gases. Your car's aircon system relies on a special refrigerant gas to draw out heat from the passing air, leaving only that lovely cool breeze to flow from the vents. Apart from being vitally important to the aircon performance, refrigerant gases are also subject to certain regulations, so you need to be sure that any regas is done with the right gas. In the mid-90s, Australia changed from the ozone-damaging R12 refrigerant gas to R134A. And whilst R134A was an improvement, there is now a far more environmentally friendly gas available called R1234YF. This new standard in gas has a global warming potential rating that is a fraction of anything used before, making this gas significantly better for the environment. Commonly used in European vehicles, the gas first started arriving in Australia in 2014. But as Australia begins phasing down HFC use from January 2018, many vehicle manufacturers are now switching to new air conditioning systems that use R1234YF. To properly service your vehicle's air conditioner, a workshop must have the right equipment, licensing and training to handle these gases responsibly. Your local Repco Authorised Service Centre has the experience and knowledge to handle these gases correctly, and you can rely on them to keep you cool without warming the planet. And that's an Autofact. To find your local Repco Authorised Service Centre, visit repcoservice.com.